Want your filters to show more products or only the perfect match? This one setting controls it. Operator and or operator or. Or means the product can match any selected option. And means the product must match all the selected options. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Product Filters, then click Font Style. From the drop-down, choose the filter you want like tags, price, rating, brands. So let's go with tag option. Now scroll down to Advanced Settings and find Operator. First, keep the operator OR and click Save Changes. Now go to your shop page and reload the page. Now select two options in the same filter. You'll see the product will match these or that. Now go back and change the operator to and click Save Changes. Now return to the shop page and clear the filter and reload the page. And then now select the same two options again. Now the products must match both options together. And this is the logic of AND operator. So you can use OR when you want more results like brands, categories or colors, and use AND when you want strict filtering like tags, some custom fields or sizes where a product can match multiple options. If you turned on single selection, shoppers can only pick one option, so AND and OR won't change much. That's how AND operator and OR operator work. Set OR operator for wider results and set AND operator for tighter results, and your filters will feel exactly right.